To prepare for showings, try to keep two main goals in mind. You want your home to look as large as possible and as clean as possible. So in the bedrooms, make sure you make the beds and declutter the dressers. Yes, even the honeymoon pictures. Okay, you can keep one, but remember, you want to depersonalize the space. To make closets appear more spacious, take some clothes out and store them somewhere unseen. When you walk out of each room, take one final look back to make sure you didn't miss any details. Make sure the kitchen and bathrooms are clean and fresh smelling. It's important not to have food smells lingering in the air before showings. Not everyone will think Aunt Carol's fish stew recipe smells heavenly, and you don't want anyone scrunching up their nose when they walk in your door. Try to see your home through fresh eyes. You might not notice things like dusty baseboards and dirty light switches anymore, but buyers will. Spend some time taking care of those little things. It makes a difference. Before you leave the house for showings, be sure to turn on all the lights. Having potential buyers come through a home that's all lit up is so much more inviting than having them walk into dark rooms. And be sure to open all the shades and blinds, because natural light makes a home feel warm and inviting. Make sure you've planned somewhere to go during showings. Buyers should be able to move and talk freely while they're in your home. A seller's presence can be intimidating and awkward for buyers, and you don't want to leave that kind of impression on them. Good luck with your showings. After you have a sale contract negotiated and signed with a buyer, it will be time for the home inspection and attorney review period. I'll be back then to help you understand what happens during those steps. Goodbye for now.